Hello there and welcome. How's it going? This is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Welcome to the Facebook Live. And if you're watching this from YouTube, welcome to the Digital Marketing Warrior YouTube channel, the place to come to be inspired in creating your wealth. In today's video, I'd like to share with you this absolutely critically important topic, one in which can absolutely give you a wake-up call if you watch this all the way through until the very end. So if this is your first time here and you're watching this from the Facebook Live, don't forget to follow me on Facebook by hitting that follow button on my profile. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, some hearts, and share this out to the world. And if you're watching this from YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out when I roll out some new content. From talking to people on Messenger pretty regularly, I've been noticing something from people who either are in affiliate marketing business opportunity or who are interested in one. I noticed that most people who express an interest in affiliate marketing will do their research on all of these different business opportunities that are out there so that they can keep their options open. And they even get on multiple lists, and they're just on those lists because they're curious to see like what kinds of emails they'll get from these kinds of people who are promoting these business opportunities. And so after they do that, they have this mindset, they have this mentality of looking for that big break. In other words, they're looking for that one business opportunity that's going to be it for them. That's going to be the one that generates the most profits for them so that they can finally quit their 9-to-5 job and they can start living the way that they've been wanting to for so long. They're looking for that big break. And they're also hoping to look for that one email or even that one video that will give them the how to market the business without them ever having to pay to learn how to market. Now, if this sounds very much like you right now, I've got a question for you. Why did you express interest in this business in the first place? Is it just to make money? Because if that's your only reason, then that's not good enough. If you really want this to work, you have to be willing to invest. You have to be willing to invest something in order to make something. Let me give you a simple analogy. Everybody knows that in order to get a college degree, you have to pay for tuition, you have to pay for course materials, you need to pay for your classes, and you actually need to show up to those classes and you need to repeat that for a certain number of years in order to finally get that college degree from the university. No university out there is just going to hand you the college degree just by you merely walking onto the campus and saying that you want a college degree. It doesn't work like that. Now, obviously, everyone knows that. You know that. But why can't you look at running a business the same way? Why can't you? When it comes to running an affiliate marketing business, an internet marketing business, you got to treat it like it's going to school, like it's going to college. You have to be willing to invest into yourself and your education. You have to learn skill sets in order to generate leads and sales, in order to make profits. Without that, it's just not going to work for you. If you're not willing to invest in yourself and in your education, if you're always coming up with excuses saying that, oh, I can't afford that, I'm too broke and that, this industry is not for you. If you're always going to hold on to those kinds of excuses, you might as well just quit altogether. You got to treat this like it's going to school. Because this can absolutely work for you if you work. You have to be willing to invest in yourself and your education. Let's take a look at all the 6, 7, 8-figure earners who are making it right now. Do you think for a moment that when they got started, before they reached the level that they're at right now, do you think that they attempted to figure out a way and how to market for free without paying anything? I think you can take a pretty good guess at what the answer is, because it can be very easy to look at the level that they're at right now, but it's another thing to look at what it took to actually get to that level. You got to understand that in order to make something, you got to be willing to invest something. You got to be willing to invest in yourself. You got to be willing to invest in your education. You got to be also willing to invest time into mastering and building skill sets. Don't just be so focused on just making money. I mean, sure, that's part of it, but again, it's only a part of it. Think about it. Stop conditioning yourself to look for free, however way you can get free. You gotta make that mindset shift. Don't look at building a business as an expense. Look at it as an investment in you, because you matter. You are the kind of person who deserves success and deserves to build a better life for yourself. Think about it. So I trust you got a ton of value out of this video. If you're watching this from the Facebook Live and you're curious to know what is it that I'm currently up to right now, here's what I want you to do. Comment below down the Facebook Live video with the words, "I'm interested," and I'll inbox you on Messenger with all the details. If you're watching this from YouTube, here's what I want you to do. There will be a link directly below in the video description for my #1 recommendation for mindset transformation. I want you to click on that link, opt in with your name and your best email. You'll be redirected to a page with a video presentation. Watch that video presentation all the way through and lock in your spot as soon as possible. With that said, this is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Thank you so much for stopping by and joining me today on this video. Have an amazing day, wherever you may be, wherever time that you're watching this from, and I'll see you on the next video very soon. Take care.